Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download GTA Vice City on your Android. Let's get started. GTA Vice City is an official mobile game published by Rockstar Games. It is one of the most popular open-world games ever created and is now available for smartphones. The mobile version brings the classic Vice City experience to Android, with improved graphics, optimized controls, and gameplay designed for touchscreens. To download it, open the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type GTA Vice City. Look for the official version called Grand Theft Auto. You can simply purchase it, but if you want to play it for free, you can download GTA Vice City Definitive. Check that the developer listed is Rockstar Games. This helps ensure you are installing the real version of the game and not a fake copy uploaded by someone else. Tap on the game page and press install and wait for the download to finish. The speed will depend on your internet connection, so it may take a few minutes. During this time, make sure your device stays connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once the installation is done, open the game. The first time you launch the game, it may download additional files required for gameplay. This is normal for large mobile games. The process can take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Before installing the game, make sure your phone has enough storage space available. The game requires a few gigabytes of free space for the game files and additional data. After the download finishes, the game will load, and you'll be able to start playing GTA Vice City directly on your Android phone. Also, avoid downloading APK files from random websites claiming to offer the game for free. Many of these files may contain malware or modified versions that could harm your device. The safest and most reliable way to download the game is always through the official Google Play Store. That's how you can download GTA Vice City on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.